Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss in a black exterior. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left, and up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside we have our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here on the left hand side, and right below that we do have our dual climate controls. To the right of that we do have our USB-C and USB charge ports, and on the left hand side you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push to start ignition. We have some additional storage here in the front, as well as our shifter, 2 cup holders, additional storage on the side, and inside of our middle console here, if we take a look, we do have our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, our AC outlet, and additional storage inside. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here, on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, our cruise control settings, and the heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And if we take a look up, we do have our universal home garage opener and our power rear sliding window. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here, with our 2 USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, in the seats itself we also have some more storage space as well as underneath. In the middle we have our cup holders, and last but not least we have our rear power sliding window that I mentioned earlier. Checking out the exterior here on the LT Trail Boss, we do have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille, red tow hooks at the bottom with LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side we have our blacked out 20-inch rims on Bridgestone tires, black running boards with keyless entry handles, and tint in the rear window. Moving along to the side here, we have the Trail Boss decal on the side of the bed, as well as our corner assist steps on each side. We have our dual chrome exhaust at the bottom here, as well as our spare tire underneath. Our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our Multi-Pro tailgate. To use the Multi-Pro, just press the top button down to get the first part down, no problem. This can also be turned into a step when needed. And to get the whole tailgate down, just press the second button, it'll come down, no problem. And inside you'll see we have plenty of space and storage with our 120-volt outlet here on the right hand side. And that is our 2025 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help any questions you may have.